Monday, May 16th, 2022. The Samsung sr28t5001 SR refrigerator. This is a door removal, obviously. What you need to do is you need to take this top panel off here. It's got 3 screws in the middle of these 3 holes there. That is a Phillips head. And this is the hinge setup. This is how it works. Once you get this cover off, this little flop goes up there. Now you have to hold on to the door, lift the door up, and then this little bracket will come out, and this little hole here is where the pin. I already took this one off. I'll show you how it works on the other side. Of course, you're going to have to unplug all your little doodads up there, sensor switches and stuff. And then, like I say, you just pull this little lever forward, pop that out of there. Now, when you lift the door up, whoop, okay, if you don't hold on to the door, when you lift that up, the door will fall off. And, okay, well, the wire was holding it, so hang on, I gotta grab this thing now. Okay, the doors are pretty light, actually, but again, you have to, if you're going to store this thing outside, I don't have room for this in my house, and it's been in there for 3 months, so even if I had room, I probably would not store it. But you're going to have to take the doors off of your refrigerator if you want to, not get a pretty serious ticket. They take that refrigerator door thing pretty seriously. That's why I had to put it in my backyard and hide it. And now that I got my refund, Samsung's got 24 hours, actually about 23 and a half hours to come collect this piece of junk.